What's up, guys? Just making a quick video on how I choose to run Kodi. I just like it simple. A lot of these builds, they have too much stuff in them, so I just decided to kind of look at it myself and kind of build my own thing. So if you guys want to follow, go right ahead. But what you're going to do is you're going to open up Kodi. If you haven't downloaded the new one, delete 16 and download the 17. Pretty easy to do. I have a video on that in my link, so if you need to do that, just go and watch that video. But let's get started. So open up Kodi. What you're going to do is you're going to go into add-ons. Actually, sorry, you're actually going to stay here. You're going to go to the settings. You're going to go to File Manager, and you're going to click Add Source. You're going to click add source, and this is what you're going to input. On the top, it's http:// the community repo.netai.net/zip/. And then I just named this one UFC Finest because that's all I use. I do use Sports Devil out of here too, but basically it's just the UFC. You're going to click OK after that. Make sure everything's inputted identically, because if one's off, it won't work. Click OK. Again, you're going to click Add Source one more time, and this is what you're going to input. Is http://fusion.tvaddons.AG. And I just named this one Fusion. You're going to click OK. What you're going to do is you're going to go out of here, so you're back at the main screen. You're going to go to add-ons now. And you're going to go up here to the top, and you're going to click this little box. And then you're going to go to install from zip. And then we'll start out with, let's just do UFC Finest because it's just one in there. Click on that, and then you're going to click this little zip file. You're going to give it a minute, and it will pop up here in the corner saying it has added. Sometimes you just got to be a little bit patient. Again, going to install from zip file, Fusion. I go to Kodi Repos, and then English. Alright, the very first one we're going to install is Repo. So install this guy right here. So you just click on it, and it will say it's been added. I've already added it, so mine says updated, but yours will say it's added. And then you're going to go back into install from zip, Fusion, Repos, English. Scroll down, and the next one you are going to do is Exodus. It's right here. So click on that. Oh, whoops. Yeah, click on the Exodus one, not that one. And then the next one you're going to download is Huball. So right here, click on that one. And same thing, go to install from zip. And then go back to this page, and the next one you're going to install is right alright there, Podgod. So install the Podgod right here. And again, go back to install from zip, come back to Fusion, go into the repos. And then the next one you are going to download is Tknorris. Right here, Tknorris Release. So click on that one. And then click on the Unofficial Sports Devil. Click on this one right here. And then right here. This one, it's XBMC Hub. Click on that one. And then the last one is right here, Metalketties. So click on that one. Then after, I'm gonna leave all these ones, the ones you're supposed to click on, in the description, so you can look at all of them. All right, and that's that. After all those are downloaded, next you are gonna go right into here. It says install from repository, and these are all the links you should have. If not, go back into install from zip and get them. So the first one we're going to start out with is right here. Click on there, click video add-ons, and then Ufc Finest. You're going to click on it, and then right here it should say install. Click install. And after that, you're going to go out of here. You're going to scroll down and Sports Devil. Click on that one. Same thing. It should say install. Click install. And then YouTube, install. And then after that, you're going to go back here. You're going to go into the Blaze repo, video add-ons, Cliq, and then 2 movies involved. And that's the next one you click on, those 2. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and then click on Exodus, video add-ons, and then download the Exodus. And that was the one I accidentally added. This is how you delete them. You just hold it down. Information, uninstall. I don't want that one. Okay. And then the next one, you're going to go to Huball-repo, video add-ons, pack 12. This is the one I don't think you downloaded. It was Parkland. We're not going to do that one. Okay. The next one is Metalketties add-on. You're going to click on that. Video add-ons. Oh, never mind. Roger that. I guess I don't use anything in there. And then Podgod repos. Video add-ons. And this is my favorite for sports. Pro Sport. Nice, easy, very easily set up. I love it. So click on Pro Sport, click install. Then I always get CCLOUD, just a nice little add-on to have. Click install. Then go back to this menu. And then Tknorris video add-ons, stream all sources, and 1 channel. And then you've already got Sports Devil from the community repo. So I think that is it, unless there's something in here. Oh yeah. So now go to TVADDONS.AG, video add-ons, and there is Phoenix. A lot of people like Phoenix, so click on Phoenix. I think it'll automatically just download that too. If not, just download that so it's easy. And then you're going to go out of here, and we are done. So just make sure you download all that. All these can be found in the UFC source I ended or Fusion. All these sources are in there. So if you don't have all these, just look through them until you get all those. Go out of here, and out of here. Okay, so for the next step, what we're going to do is you're going to go into the settings. Make sure you're clear back at the very first. You're going to go to interface settings. You're going to click on skin. You're going to come right here and you're going to go to get more. And I already downloaded it, but it will sit right here. And what it's going to say is right here. This Aeon and Nox, Nox. So click on that. It's going to take a minute to download. But just click on that. And it said, would you like to keep this change? You're going to click yes. Alright, and what you're going to do now is mine's going to might look a little different because I've already done this, but you're going to go out of here, out of here. And this is what we're going to get it to look like. Yours is going to look a little different, but you're going to go to System, go to Skin Settings. I don't like it in the middle. I think it just looks weird, so I always put mine down low. So put low. And then set up the main menu. So you're going to click right here. Okay, so this is how you do it. So I don't think I've added one of them. So just go to the very top one. That's fine. You're going to click over. And right here, default section action. Click on there. Go to add-ons. Video add-ons. I don't have channel 1 yet, so I'm going to click channel 1. Create menu item to be here. So now as you can see, right here, channel 1's there. Okay, another cool thing you can do, if you like, I don't really do it, but you can go right here, just delete everything. I'll say none. You go to type, click on type, click on type, click on type until you see this. Then you're going to go to channel 1 because that's the source that we've done. And then movies. And then create menu item here. And then we're going to add another one. Go back to channel 1. TV shows. Create menu item here. Alright, I think that is everything. Let's see if we could add something else. Yeah, so I just usually do TV shows and movies. Okay, so click cancel and you're going to go out of here. Alright, and then you're going to go to the second one, music. That's the one I clicked on. Default. You go to video, or I just go to add-on. Video add-on. And I don't have this one yet, so I'm going to click there. And then, actually I'm not going to use this one. I don't really use that one. Okay, so you're going to go back, add-ons, video add-on. Got Exodus already, so you might want to add Exodus. Pack 12, we don't have Pack 12 yet, so click on Pack 12, create a new item here, and then you just want to check, it says manage submenu. Sometimes you're going to have things in here, it looks kind of weird with them on there, especially when there's no sources going into them. So I just take and I just delete them all. And then go back, and then I got Exodus, so I'll go here. Add-ons here, add-ons, video add-ons, Exodus. If you haven't opened up yet, this is what you're going to see. Just wait, give it a second. Okay, and then just create menu item here, and manage sub menu. So I'm just going to delete all these, and then click type, click it again, find Exodus, movies, create menu item here, Exodus, TV shows, create menu item here. Oh, whoops, sorry, see I messed up. So you gotta click add, and then Exodus, movies, create menu. And if you want to add another one, you click add again, Exodus, and then you go into movies, and then you could find, like, for instance, I use new movies quite often because it gives all the updated movies. So just click on that, and then create menu item here. Okay, and just so it matches, click there, TV shows, new episodes. Oh, whoops. You know, if you need to go back, just click the back thing here. So, new TV shows. And then create menu item here. Okay. And then out of here. And then default, go to the third one. Mine says TV shows, whatever yours says. Hopefully you're kind of catching on. Video add-ons. Then which one do I add on? Phoenix yet, so I'm going to click on Phoenix. Then just create the menu item there, manage submenu. I'm not going to put anything in here, so I'm just going to delete it so it says none, and then backspace. CCLOUD, you're going to go here, add-ons, video add-ons, and then look for CCLOUD TV right there. So click that. Create menu item here, manage submenu. I'm just going to delete that until it says none. And backspace. And sports devil, you're going to go here, add-ons, video add-ons, sports devil, create menu item here. Alright, and then manage submenu, none's in there, so we're good. Pro Sport, this is the best one for sports, I think. So you're going to go here, add-ons, add-ons, video add-ons, Pro Sport, oh my gosh, Pro Sport, then I'm going to first create it here, and then go to manage submenu, and I like to have these ones, so I just click type, until I find Pro Sport, click here, and I like to do NBA games, and then create it there, add, Pro Sport, NHL games, create menu item here, add, Pro Sport, NFL games, create menu item here, go to add, MLB games, create add item here, and then I'm just going to do one, actually you got to go back because you got to create a new one. What the hell? Alright, awesome. This is working out great. Okay, go to Pro Sport, sorry. And then NHL games. Create menu item here, there, Pro Sport, NFL games. Create menu item here, Pro Sport, NHL. Create menu item there. Perfect. And then what was I going to do? Is just archive. and then create a new item here. Okay, so that's that. Go back, and then custom 3 default section, add-ons, video add-ons. Let's do UFC Finest, and then create menu item here. So what do we got so far? We got Channel 1, Pac-12, Exodus, Phoenix, CCLOUD. Oh yeah, let's see in UFC Finest if it has a sub menu. So click there. It doesn't, so we're good. Custom 4. Default section, add-ons, video add-ons. Sports, no, we got sports still. We got them all? I think we got this one yet, so click on Cliq. Create menu item here. Manage sub menu. It's all deleted. We're good. And then we're going to do default section, add-ons, video add-ons. Okay, I think, oh, right here, stream all sources, I think is the last one. And then create menu item there. And then manage submenu, it's all deleted, we are good. Okay, now what you're gonna wanna do, after all those are down, installed. Just make sure too, all the ones that are here that we just installed, make sure that all of them are enabled. See, I had 2 that weren't. So go up here and enable it, and then enable it. Make sure they're all enabled. Okay, and then make sure system's enabled. I disable apps, videos, and the ones that I'm not using. Besides, I'll leave system, I'll leave power, and I definitely leave favorites because it's easy to put your favorite TV shows in there, movies. And then I just disable weather and concerts. And so, alright, everything should be good. So what you're going to do now is just do backspace, and it's going to take a minute. It will load it, and then that should be it, guys. This is my favorite. It's nice and easy. As you can see, the sub menu down here that we created on some of them. It's just nice and easy. Works very slick. And then if you need to get back into it, you have system, skin settings. Alright guys, if this helped you guys out, please click like and subscribe. I'm going to also do another video and so you could get rid of the buffering issues that you might be experiencing. Thank you. I appreciate you guys for watching.